Hi, my name is Leon. I'm the founder of PPP Coffee, previously known as Papa Valletta. I started the business 11 years ago, and we have one mission, which is to connect people with coffee. When COVID-19 hit, we were planning it from the perspective of pre-vaccine and post-vaccine. We wanted to future-proof ourselves such that we have a 2 to 3 year horizon. We are very known for the outlet in Jalan Besar called Chai Seng Huat Hardware, and we serve roast and retail coffee in that one historic building. We grew the business quite differently over the 11 years. We wholesale coffee, service and distribute specialty coffee equipment. We also opened a retail space in a mall, which is non-conventional by our standards. So when COVID-19 hit, business was down about 90%. And my first thought was, cash is king. It wasn't just about cutting costs, but it's also about spare funds to tie us through this pandemic and how we could pivot. We were very fortunate that our relationship with UOB was good. They were very forthcoming in looking at our business to address the impact of the pandemic. We were able to tap the UOB business loan quite efficiently and effectively. When we applied, I think within a week, getting the money on time and quick is very important during the pandemic because you might miss an opportunity. By and large, we use about 50% of the loan for new investment, and the other half is to make sure that the staff, rent, and also ongoing projects and suppliers could get their cash. Over the course of COVID, we realized that some of the people consuming coffee changed drastically. We actually pivot on how we purchase coffee, source coffee. And I think on the first week of the lockdown, we rolled out the care pack. But the biggest change for us was having the ability to change with ease of mind, which means that we had enough cash to help staff maneuver, help the staff change. So that was most difficult. Throughout the entire period, we did not waver from our vision of connecting people with coffee, and I think with the help of UOB loan, it helped buffer and help us continue this journey that we really wanted to focus on. So one of the advice I'd like to give is don't be afraid to try new things, because you never know what sticks and what doesn't. You really need to adapt and let people experience your brand beyond your outlet. There's the timeliness and efficiency of getting the loan, but at the end of the day, the relationship with UOB, with the RM, their approach was very personable. And in a time like this, empathy and finding a solution for your business is the most important thing.